Ambient Noise Complaint. It's a pleasure to be Alright, this first song is a song about toxic relationships. It's going to be on our first EP. Hope you like it. The song's called Every Time. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? We are 10 p.m. Noise Complaint. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks so much for coming. Alright. Yeah, we're so happy that you all came to watch us today. We were concerned that no one will come because of babies. But who went to watch babies today? Okay, well, yeah, I didn't. I was here. That's right, getting ready for the gig. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm Trevor. This is Glenn. This is Keegan. Yeah, we're 10 p.m. Noise Complaint. We're called hi Keisha. We're called 10 p.m. Noise Complaint because we always practice in Glenn's HDB and then we get complaints at 10 p.m. So yeah, that's why. Anyway, we put out our first single recently. It's called Alone. Anybody heard it? Oh, thank you. Hey, sick. Awesome. The last time no one said yes, and then I had to be like, oh, then you can hear it today. Okay. If you like it, yeah, please sing along. Yeah, and have some fun, guys. The song's called Alone. Hope you like it.
Is it so hard to think that
you dare to call yourself the hero? I don't wanna know. I just wanna be alone. Thank you very much, guys. That's our first single. It's called Alone. It's out on Spotify. Go check it out. It's under 10 p.m. noise complaint. The words are here on the screen in case you do not know how to spell 10 p.m. noise complaint. Yeah, the X, the Z, and the P are silent. Yes. Alright, great. We are retuning because this song is the heaviest tuning that we have. Yeah, it's a drop D. Okay, this song is called Throw My Breath Away. This song was Glenn's idea. Yeah, it's about stubborn people. So I think Glenn has a lot of stubborn people. He's like, what? Apparently, yes. Is that true? Alright then. Way to talk to the crowd, Glenn. Okay. Okay, this song's called Throw My Breath Away. It's gonna be an all EP. You'll be like it. I'm tired, guys. Hang on a second. Give me 1 second. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Guys, I have a question. Did you hear Glenn screaming on this track? What do you think of his screams? So Glenn, right? Glenn sounds good live, right? And then go to studio, right? Then he's like, fuck, right? Well, yeah, he went in and he was like, shit, something going on the screen. Bro, you do it every gig that we play. Cool. Anyway, that song's gonna be on EP 2. We are writing our EP now. No, we're not. We wrote it. We wrote it. Oh, dude, that's a new way to say it. We wrote it already. And we wrecked it. We recorded it already. We're just waiting for the mix. So it should be coming out by 22nd November. It must come out by 22nd November because we committed to play EP launch on 23rd November. So if it doesn't come out, then we're fucked. Alright. Anyway, this song is a slow song that we wrote for the EP. Glenn is gonna loop the part because I'm shit and This song is called I Should Go. so alright guys, there are 5 songs on our EP, right? But we started writing a 6 song for our second EP because we're planning ahead. That's right, second EP. It's still a work in progress, so we're gonna play it for you today, and y'all let us know what you think. Yeah. If it's bad, there's still time to kill the song. But anyway, yeah, I actually don't remember all the chords because it's quite new, so I wrote them on my arm. So like then I can yeah, secrets of the trade, guys. Okay, this song is called I Don't Believe. Yeah. Okay, hope you like it. Oh, do you like it? Is it nice? Yeah, that's right. Glenn's really good, unlike me. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, like about 3-piece setup, right? Like it's quite fun. So basically, right, like Keegan plays the drums, and then Glenn plays like sick guitar, right? And then right, because we don't have rhythm guitarists, right? So like I actually run my bass through an octave pedal and set it up with 2 amps. Yeah. So like usually it's like that. But I can octave it up and technology. Oh shit! I stole it from Rob. Yeah, that's right. I stole it from Rob. Bro, I watched watched so many fucking videos of how to get a royal black gold, and then after that, yeah, he protects his pedalboard like a lot. Yeah, I don't know, both are like, yeah, you can come and see the total one. Anyway, guys, we come to the last song in our set. This is gonna be our second single, so it should be coming out soon. We're just waiting for the final mix. So yeah, this song is called Character Development. This song is about like you know you. That's right. You know you mean. Oh my god, bro, you're a fucking genius, bro. How did you know? Yeah. Anyway, this song is about like you know you ever meet people, right, and then like whenever they come talk to you, right, it always seems like they're going through the same fucking problems in life. Don't know what, you know, they break up with boyfriend, all this kind of shit. They always keep coming back to the same stuff. But what they really fucking need is some character development. That's right. Anyway, yeah, that's what it's all about. Once again, we are 10 p.m. noise and play. If you like what you heard, check us out on Spotify, and we got Instagram, TikTok, and we have merch. We have stickers outside, so yeah. Check that out. Yeah, and yeah, two-step, guys. It's two-step. Let's go. Don't say you wanna me. Somebody if I Thank you to Exfil and Exfil for having us. Thank you so much, guys.